So the first strategy is the associative property, also what we call the double and half strategy.
Why do you have whiteout right there?
Because I started writing something and decided not to. Okay, right. 25 times 14. Right. We're not talking right now. Writing, please. Okay, you're going to have to wait because I was just over there. Skip a page and go to the next one. I'll get you one in a minute. Make sure you're writing this. Not this part. 25 times 14, so double and half. So this strategy only works when you can double one number and half another and have it be an easier problem. Okay, so 25 times 14, what would we double and what would we half? Let's see, Brecken?
We would double 25 and
Good. Double 25 and half 14. So Cole, what would 25 doubled be? 25 doubled. 50, good. Okay, and what would 14 halved be? So 14 divided by 2, Claire? 7, very good. Okay, 50 times 7, or 5 times 7 is? 35, and add that 0. So 25 times 14, or 50 times 7 is? 350. That is a double and half strategy. Does it work on every problem? No. Okay, the next strategy is the partial product strategy, what we call the box strategy. Please write this. We have 25 times 27. You can do the partial products of the box strategy, which is this. Remember where you'd first off, before you do that, you'd write the box, draw the box, and then you'd put the first number here, second number down here. Then you divide it up in between the tens and ones, or hundreds, tens, and ones, whatever number you are doing. Okay, raise your hand if you remember this strategy. It was from a while back, but good. Okay.
Wasn't it last module?
Couple. It was 2 ago.
It was.
Okay, Lexi?
What?
Oh, you're just raising your hand. Okay. Okay, so what are you doing with these numbers? You're what? These boxes show you what you need to what, Israel? What you need to multiply. You make me yawn. Okay, so like this box, so this one like this, use it as a grid. So that would be like 5 times 20, or 20 times 5, 5 times 20, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna write it, sorry, I'm gonna write with the left-hand side first. 5 times 20, so this one would be 20 times 20, so we can write it over here. 20 times 20. 5 times 20, and then what? 20 times 7, and then 5 times 7.
Why'd you erase that?
Because I wanted to do the left side first. Okay, so what is 20 times 20? Claire. How do you know that so fast?
Because 2 times 2 is 4, and there's 2 zeros after that.
Perfect. Okay. What is 5 times 20? I need new hands. Javier? 100. Very good. 20 times 7. Camden? 140. Good. Because 2 times 7 is 14. Add the 0. Cole, what's 5 times 7?
35.
35. What do we do now? Add them all up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is?
5.
0 plus 0 is?
0.
Plus 4 is 4. Plus 3 is?
7.
4 plus 1 plus 1 is?
6. 675 is our answer.
Is our answer to 25 times 27. The next one is the algorithm, the stacking method. So this method and this method can be used for any problem, but the associative cannot be used for everything, okay? But these two can, and when you have less room to work, the algorithm or the stacking method, they're kind of called both, are the best ones to use. So let's start out with 36 times 29. Okay, we're going to solve it together. I'll let you solve the next two on your own. Okay, we'll start with the ones column. 9 times 6 is?
54.
So 54. 9, then we do the tens. 9 times 3 is?
27.
Plus 5 is?
32.
32. So we put the 2 down. There's nothing to put the 3 above. Right there. We cross out that 5 since we're done using it. We're done with the ones column. What do we put down here?
0.
0. Since we've crossed out that ones column, we bring down here. Then we do 2 times 6 is?
12.
12. So 2 down, 1 up. 2 times 3 is?
6.
Plus 1 is?
7.
What do we do with these numbers?
Add them.
4 plus 0 is?
4.
2 plus 2 is?
4.
3 plus 7 is?
10.
Hold on here. 1,044 is our answer.
What happened to the 9?
I crossed it out because we're done using it.
Oh, it looks like it's bleeding.
I know. Okay, raise your hand if you want to do one more together. Raise your hand if you want to do it independently. Okay, we'll do one more together and then we'll do the last one independently. Okay, this one, actually, I'm going to change it. I was going to do an easy one. I'm not going to. Okay, 14 times 47. Okay, 7 times 4 is, because we're doing the ones first, 28. 7 times 1 is, plus 2 is. We're done using that 2. We're done with the 7. Bring down a
0.
0. Good. Then we do
4 times 4.
is.
16.
Good. 4 times 1 is.
4.
Plus 1 is.
5.
Add them up. 9 plus 0 is. Or sorry, 8 plus 0 is.
0. 8.
9 plus 6 is.
15.
Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is.
6.
658.
650.
51 times 35. Do this one together.
Together.
I mean, independently, and then we'll talk about it together. Sorry, I can't talk today. Nah, just tired. 51 times 35. Give me a thumbs up when you have the answer.
Thumbs up.
Okay. 10 more seconds.
Thumbs up.
Okay. Somebody talk me through the first steps. Cole.
Do 1 times 5.
Is.
5.
Okay. Then.
Then 5 times 5, which is 25.
Good. 5. Nothing but the 2 under. Okay. Then I cross off the 5 because we're done. Somebody else tell me what to do with this second part then. Somebody. Gabby. Good. Then, oh, 3 times is good. Then 3 times 3 times 5 is 15. Good. So 5 and then 1. Add them all up. 5 plus 0 is
5.
5 plus 3 is
8.
2 plus 5 is
7.
1 plus 0 is
1.
1,758. Give me a thumbs up if you got it right.
You mean
Awesome.
85. You said 58.
Sorry. 1,785. You know what I meant. I cannot. Okay. Now we're going to go into the book.